Hey guys, let's create this beautiful slide trick I created in the past. As you can see, it looks really great. Let's try to create it. Okay, let's go and try to create it. For first thing we need to create is creating these shapes. Let's see how we can create them. We just create a rectangle. We then need to create them. How we can create them is simply insert another rectangle and then select all of them and make them union. Our first slide is created, but don't forget we need to create more than one. We need to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 of them. Okay, it's for 1, it's for 2, it's for 3, it's for 4. Let me just adjust them a little. Okay, let me now for making them in center, we group them and align them in middle. After that, ungroup them. Now we copy one of them, copy another of them. Now select 1 and make them union. Then just simply put it back, select, merge them and make them onion, put it back, simply put the shape back, make them onion, and the last shape is here, and our shapes are done. Now we Ctrl A to select all of them and align them center and then align them middle. Now as you can see, our shapes are created. Now we need to create some thing like this. Okay, it's good. We need to send it back. Let me just create the order, send back. Just bring front it. It's here. Bring front. Select all. Go shape format. Align. Align center. Align middle. Now all of our shapes are ready. And merge. Now we put them simply here. We are going to create this text. It's easy to creating, but it have some trick. Let's try and create them. We need to color them and make them to look like this. Okay, let's go and make them look like this. Select all, put them back. I think here is enough. Now one by one put them back. Before that, let's go and display grid on a screen. They are in a good use. If you can use them, they are good use, good help. Let's see, the first one is going to have a little space, the second one a little space, the third one a little space, and the last one a little space. So now we select all of them, we make the outline invisible. We are going to use color blue. From this blue, this blue, this blue, and this blue. The colors are created. Now the things we need to do, we need to create these things. How we can create them? We easily create a text box, put it here, 1, I raise it in size, make it middle, and change the font to impact and the texture to this. It's very beautiful for this place. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we create them. We need to create these things, but before that, let's create these things. This is a simple text that I just color it up. It's really easy to do, but for your understanding, let me increase it in size. At first, I think 90 is a good size. Then align it center, middle, reduce the size. It's here. It's look great. Now we copy that, reduce the size, and make it center. Now we just put it here and create a text and put it here. I tell you in the past lessons, lorem ipsum is a text we use, as a placeholder, and here we are using it as a placeholder too. Let me create it size. Sorry, and I just simply press Ctrl and copy this shape to here, make it bigger, put it to top, and then simply change the color to whatever I want. I think something like this. Or you can change the text to some format you like this. This is a great format, and you can change the color to yellow too for it to look great. Now we just simply copy that. We change it to 2. The text can be changed too, and then the 2 slide is go here, and here we just align it a little, align this too. Now we just simply click 3, put it here, 3, we align the text. Now 4, and we align the text another time. Okay, now we select all of them and make transition morph. Let's see what happened. Sorry, I click a wrong number. Let's see. As smooth as possible. As you can see, this is one of my greatest work, and it's looked amazingly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments what you need, and tell me in the comments what I'm lack of confidence or knowledge. Tell me, I appreciate that. Have a good time until the next lesson.